representing Rajesh Crane Services from Pune. I would like to thank you Inspire Safety Foundation for recognizing our work, which will always inspire us for work in safety. Thank you.
We are expertise into scaffolding services in Pan India. So when we talk about lifting India Safety Awards, so basically these things are very rare to find in India, right? Nobody recognizing the safety warriors in Pan India. So here we are very fortunate to being nominated and being awarded as a excellence into the scaffolding services, where our efforts and our hard work are being recognized at this platform. So we thank to all the members of Inspire Safety Foundation and Lifting India Safety Awards. So thank you so much.
Private Limited from Pune. Last 25 years we have survived, give service to our client across the Maharashtra region and the Goa region. So currently we are focusing on the high-rise and the solar profession, including the car parkings, and we do manufacturing in Pune and Kolhapur. So currently this year we supported to LISA, and yes, for the next many years we will support to the LISA in the safety manner. Thank you.
Sir, लिफ्ट के सेफ्टी का ट्रेनिंग आप कस्टमर को देते हो क्या?
या श्योर, हमारा लिफ्ट का जैसे भी हमारा लिफ्ट इंस्टॉल होता है, ओके, हमारा एक बार लिफ्ट इंस्टॉलेशन होने के बाद जो भी वहाँ पे रेगुलरली यूज़ करेगा लिफ्ट, या फिर वहाँ पे जो चेयरमैन या सोसाइटीज मेंबर रहेंगे या कोई इंडस्ट्रियल गुड्स लिफ्ट रहेगा, तो उनको पूरा एक दिन का ट्रेनिंग दिया जाता है कि इसमें कौन से सेफ्टी पार्ट्स है, किस जगह से आपको सेफ्टी में रिकवर होना है, रेस्क्यू करना है. All these major factors we are telling to the customers.
It's been a great experience. We've been into manufacturing of construction equipment since past 15 years now. But we have been listening about safety, we've been hearing about safety, we've been practicing safety measures in all the construction sites. But this is the first time we have seen an organization recognizing these efforts of all our teammates, all our fellow people who have been struggling every day, who have been trying to find new measures of safety for the people working at construction sites and even at the industries. So I think it's a great gesture from Inspire Safety Foundation, and there should be more coming in. Thank you for that.
So it is really an immense pleasure. So we got facilitated by this Safety Foundation, and this is because of the safety. Actually we are into the vertical logistics, so where safety is the paramount. We never compromise with any out of here and there of safety. So because of that safety, now we are recognized, and we are really thankful to Mr. Suklaji and his foundation. We are honored, and we wish him all the best. At the same time, we are so proud that, okay, with a small, means a very little span of time, we have achieved a lot. Thank you, gentlemen.
Thank you very much.
Thanks a lot.
Something more about your product.
So we are into manufacturing of vertical transportation equipments like passenger hoist, passenger material hoist, and only material hoist as well. Yeah. Sure.
Yeah, good afternoon all. We are from L&T Chennai Metro Project, Phase 2. We are constructing a elevated metro project from Porur to Kodambakam area. This is basically a elevated project of 1500 crores project, and belongs to 9 stations. So it would be, I will be happy to announce that recently we have achieved 15 million safe man hours. So once again I would like to congratulate LISA Safety Awards organized by Inspire Safety Foundations. So as you know, all our L&T is a multinational companies where there are stringent safety procedures to be followed at the site, and daily we are doing a lot of safety activities, lifting activities with 100% perfection in safety. We are working in a very congested and narrow road in Arcot Road. So due to the time constraint and narrow road, we are following 100% safety procedures. Before doing any lifting activities, our method statement and the risk assessment is approved by CMR. Based on that, we will go for lifting activity. Before that, all the operators, riggers and helpers are going for third-party trainings conducted by external agencies. After that, they will go for specific induction and medical test. Once all the approval process is over, we will go for lifting activities.
So good evening to
आपके प्रोजेक्ट्स में सेफ्टी को लेकर क्या प्रिकॉशंस लेते हैं?
एक बोल रहे थे. Good evening to all and Inspire Safety Foundations and media persons also. So our L&T, we are working at CMRL EC1 project, Larsen and Toubro on AB civil infrastructure. So our L&T motto is, like a slogan, is the zero harm vision. That is our motto, and our target is per monthly 0.0125 fatality or reportable accident report. Means 100% में 0.0125 our target is. मतलब हमको कोई भी आदमी को किसी को चोट नहीं लगेगा तो वर्कर को हमको लगा ऐसे हम लोग ट्रीट करते हैं एल एन टी को. सो हम लोग मतलब ऐसे एल एन टी कोई वर्कर हमारा स्क्रीनिंग फॉर्मेलिटीज प्रोसीजर में हो गया, जस्ट इज ट्रीटेड लाइक बिकेम द एल एन टी फैमिली मेम्बर्स, ऐसे ट्रीट करता है. सो सर ने दिस ऑल एक्सप्लेन दैट, बट और this CMR, that construction challenging is the first time in India you are constructing the island platform, 4 number stations in island platform stations and double deck of 4.5 kilometer, like a one level in metro and second level one more corridor metro for this 4.5 kilometer. And first time in India we constructed this 100 meter span length of composite girder, 120 meter radius without any accident and incident we achieved, and commissioning also done. And our target is, cost of scope is 2.5 lakhs precast element lifting and transportation, 2.5 lakhs. In that maximum weight of the element is 200 ton. You imagine that 200 ton, how it will lift it in this traffic zones. Our work, this work limit is, what working hours is only for night 11 o'clock to morning only 5 o'clock. Already you've seen the experience in this Mumbai also, how the metro people is struggling. So, this one, within this time period, you can successfully completing all these things. So,
us in this great prestigious platform for motivate to our workers. We in the GMLR project as a Jay Kumar in Infrastructure Limited, we are doing all the safety compliances as legal requirement as policy implementing to achieve the zero accident target in our project. So we received this. Thank you.
My name is Mohammad Mushtaq Ansari. I am from CCC company from Saudi Arabia. I have nominated for the Safety Award, Visa Award, and this is really a very good award to ensure safety on all of the projects, and not only the spirit in the individual, at the individual level, this is also going to have add value in this, and I trust and I have hope that in India such kind of activities and initiatives has been taken, and this is going to uplift the safety culture and the safety environment into the country.
Golden Hook Award. We are very happy. Our company, Steel Fab Scaffolding and Engineering Private Limited, got this award. I will request my colleague, my company director, to further say something on this.
Scaffolding is very important for high-rise buildings, and especially the steel scaffolding is a must. Formerly in India there was only bamboo scaffolding, but then due to high-rise structures coming up since about last 20 years, steel scaffolding has come into picture, and we in the company of Steel Fab Scaffolding and Engineering observe highest standards in providing the scaffolding structure. Thank you.
We take very important of safety also, because we know on our scaffolding laborers are going to work and all other agencies are going to work. We have worked for L&T, Raheja, Lodha, all these big agencies.
प्रथम सेफ्टीवर जो काही अवॉर्ड फंक्शनचा कार्यक्रम आयोजित केला त्याच्या संदर्भात सांगायचं, सेफ्टीवर कोणीतरी काही चांगलं अवॉर्डचं देण्याचं कार्य करीत आहेत याच्याबद्दल एक निपुणता आहे. मी इंडस्ट्रियल सेफ्टी डायरेक्टर ऑफ इंडस्ट्रियल सेफ्टी अँड हेल्थ ॲज अ अप्रूव्ड कॉम्पिटंट पर्सन अंडर फॅक्टरीज ॲक्ट लिसाचा खूप आभारी आहे की या फंक्शनकरता त्यांनी आपल्याला बोलवलं आणि मोटिवेशन देण्याचं जे काम लिसा करतं आहे त्याच्याबद्दल मी त्यांचा खूप आभारी आहे आणि यापुढे त्यांनी असं फंक्शन्स आयोजित करावं जेणेकरून बऱ्याचशा लोकांना मोटिवेशन मिळेल आणि एक चांगलं कार्य त्यांच्याकडनं घरात राहू. सर्वात मोठा आनंद की काही असतं की अवॉर्ड मिळताना भाग्यश्री मॅडमांच्या हातून एक अवॉर्ड मिळालं तेही एक.
From Balaji Infratech, I am taking care of safety functions of entire Balaji group, and we are very much happy and proud moment to say that we have received this award for our safety recognition, and which has been identified by our LISA India Private LISA, that is Lifting India Safety Award, Inspiration Safety Group. So we are very much thankful to them, and thank you very much, and we will be inspired to participate in future also. Thank you very much for this.
It is very great that safety is being recognized by the industry, and it is very much required for our livelihood. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
ये गोल्डन प्रेस्टिजियस अवार्ड मिला है, इसके बारे में कुछ बताइए।
Golden hook, it has already hooked us to the safety. One has to remember that hook is for hooking everything, and the safety is the priority at any point of a time, even in infrastructure business or any business or in day-to-day life. It is like a hook, and if it is a safety hook, and I am thankful to the LISA that we have received that golden hook. Thank you very much.
And in addition to, I want to add that, so when you are hooking your load on the hook, so you must see in all respect of the safety. So here when you receive, so we also inspired to do more safety, enhance safety culture, so that in future we can uphold ourselves. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. So, thank you very much for the Lift India Safety Awards.
सिंगल कर चलो सिंगल.
Yeah, thank you very much for Lift India Safety Awards. We are really fortunate that we have come and we have received this award. This is something which we are always embarking as a corporate of Dalmia Cement. We wanted to excel in all our safety initiative, and this award we got it by lifting a single piece, 220-ton single piece of a structure which is clinker dome, without having to avoid the working at height issues. And I am really hopeful that next year also we will come and we will again showcase our this year's performance through LISA Award 3. Thank you very much.
Good evening, one and all. Thank you, Inspire Safety Foundation, for hosting this award ceremony. On behalf of Dalmia Cement, we, with the true vision of our great leaders, you have heard Mr. Sabharwal sir and Anupam Agrawal sir, who has been nominated and awarded as a Inspiration Safety Leader Award, and with the two great projects which we executed very recently. I am very much thankful to Inspire India Safety Award for this LISA Season 2 2025 for motivating us, our efforts, our dedication, our practices and our commitment to brought up so that we can inspire others. On behalf of Dalmia Cement management, we are thankful to them that they have invited us and awarded us in this manner so that we can motivate.
Thank you very much, LISA and Inspire Safety Foundation, for organizing such a beautiful event. It was excellent presentation, award ceremony I came across. and I am very happy that we have bagged this Golden Hook Award. This is nothing but our entire safety team and our project team contribution which leads to this present. Once again, I am thanking to our director, Mr. Prithviraj Solanki, who imbibed that culture in the organization, and he is harping on the safety from the day one, and he always take initiative whatever additional or innovative actions can be taken in safety departments. He is always ready. So thank you for him, and due to which efforts we have bagged these awards. Thank you very much.
Presenting AFCONS, and we have bagged this award of Golden Hook Award from Inspire Safety. This is very inspirational, and I am taking this pride on behalf of the entire team to bag this award, and we will keep on doing the good work. And this initiative from Inspire Safety is very good. This inspires people to do more and more safety, take more and more safety initiatives and do good in the industry. We are representing the industry, and we should do so much of good where safety is concerned. Thank you.
Thank you. Myself, Pankaj Kumar. I am a Chief HSE Manager from Mumbai Metro Line 5 AFCONS Infrastructure Limited. I would like to inform all of you, we are erected in 1435 total segments in Mumbai Metro Line 5, and 2 steel girders segments of 57 meter and 46 meters, and 65 meter of the steel bridge also in the Anjur Fata station in our alignments. So thank you all of you.
Yes. Kumar, good evening to all. I am coming from HSR C6 project. I received an award on behalf of our L&T. I received an award for Corporate Excellence Safety Award. It is a very prestigious award, and it is a very great feeling to us. I wish.
What would you like to say about ISF?
ISF is a good organization. Huh?
What would you like to say about that?
Yeah, this award motivates us to promote us in the. This award it is a very good opportunity for us because it will motivate in future also. In MHSR C6 we are connecting lot of lifting appliances as well as safety procedures we are following. On basis of that we are getting these types of awards, and really it will motivate us for coming projects, and we hope to strive for some more awards in coming future. Thank you.
In future, sir, would you like to be a volunteer for ISF?
Yeah.
सीजन 2 है. लास्ट ईयर हमने ग्रैंड सक्सेस देखा है इसका, एंड वी आर वेरी हैप्पी टू फेलिसिटेट ऑल द पीपल इन द कंस्ट्रक्शन फ्रेटर्निटी जिन्होंने ये सेफ्टी पर्पस को सुपर डुपर हिट किया है. वी आर वेरी हैप्पी टू वेलकम ऑल द अवॉर्डीज एंड नॉमिनीज ओवर हियर.
क्या कहेंगे कि कितना प्रोत्साहन बढ़ता है और क्या इंटेंशन है आपका?
हर साल बेहतर और बेहतर और बेहतर करने का प्रोत्साहन हर एक को यहाँ पे मिलता है.
इंडिया सेफ्टी अवार्ड था. ये हमारे इंडिया में सेफ्टी कल्चर को बढ़ाने के लिए जो भी कंस्ट्रक्शन साइट है वहाँ पे फैमिली लॉस या मैन पावर का लॉस ना हो, इसलिए हम उसके लिए काम करते हैं. एंड आई एम वेरी प्राउड टू सी माई फैमिली इन लीजा सीजन 2.
इंस्पायर सेफ्टी फाउंडेशन की ट्रस्टी हूँ, फाउंडर मेंबर हूँ. ये अवार्ड मैंने ऑर्गेनाइज़ किया है ताकि ये जो इंडस्ट्री है जिसको कोई रिकॉग्नाइज नहीं करता, कोई रिकॉग्निशन नहीं मिली, उसको एक पहचान देने के लिए ये इंडस्ट्री स्टार्ट किया है. ये एक इवेंट स्टार्ट किया है. मुझे उम्मीद है कि लोग जो है इसको अप्रिशिएट करेंगे, और जो अभी ये सेकेंड सीज़न है हम इसको, और अभी हमने नेशनल लेवल पे किया है. चेन्नई, बेंगलोर, पुणे सब जगह से लोग आए हैं. इसको हम कभी इंटरनेशनल फोरम में भी पहुंचाना चाहेंगे. मेरी यही उम्मीद है. सबको पहले जितने भी अवार्डीज़ हैं सबको बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं, और साथ में लीसा के लिए यही प्लानिंग है कि आज नहीं तो कल हम इसको इंटरनेशनल फोरम तक भी लेके जाएंगे. थैंक यू सो मच. नहीं, एक्चुअली रिस्पांस बहुत अच्छा मिला. आप क्राउड देख के आपको समझ में आ रहा होगा कि कितने लोग आए हैं, कितने बड़े बड़े प्रोजेक्ट से लोग आए हैं. और सबसे बड़ी बात यह है कि जिन लोगों ने काम किया है, बहुत अच्छा जो काम किया है, उनको अवार्ड मिला है उनके अच्छे काम के लिए। तो ये इंडस्ट्री के लिए ये बहुत ज़रूरी है ये अवार्ड को स्टार्ट करना, और हमने सेकेंड सीज़न किया है एंड वी आर लुकिंग फॉर मोर सीजन्स टू अप। Yes, definitely we are taking it forward. अभी ये सीज़न 3 भी होगा, आगे भी होगा लीसा। लेकिन लीसा में जो हम लिफ्टिंग इंडिया सेफ्टी में जो हम काम कर रहे हैं, अभी गुजरात गवर्नमेंट से हमको बहुत सारे ग्रांट्स मिली है। वो लोग चाहते हैं कि हम आगे काम करें, गवर्नमेंट भी सपोर्ट कर रही है, प्राइवेट जो एंटरप्रेन्योर्स हैं वो भी सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं। तो आगे हम इसको बहुत अच्छे फोरम पे लेके जाना चाहते हैं।
Thanks to all of you for, and thanks to the Lisa Inspire Safety Foundation for giving me the Golden Hook Award. When I asked them about the award, why they're giving me, so they just tell me about, since last 5 years, we use more than 2,600 lifting web ceilings of a different size. We also use vacuum lifter for the installation of 17,000 granite stone. It's the first time in India and first time in the construction industries we use, and first time in the construction of temple. Earlier when we asked the other vendors, have you used earlier the vacuum lifter for the installation of stone? Well, no. We are seeing the first time by using the vacuum lifter. We completed our task 3 months prior to the schedule. And the reason behind this is a technology. When we ask Mr. Anupam Shukla, when we start the activity, initially we install 20 to 30 stone per day, and our target is 17,003 numbers of granite stone. If we see the entire schedule, it will take around more than 9 months. When we introduce vacuum lifter for the installation of granite stone, then we completed all our tasks before the 3 months, and then 6 months before the schedule.
I am Janardhanam from Chennai Metro Rail Limited, Chennai. I would like to appreciate Mr. Shukla ji and the Inspire Safety Foundation for organizing this Lifting India Safety Award. In India, we are having award programs for the safety, but for the lifting safety exclusively, this is the first kind of award program. We also part of the season 1 during September 2023. Now we came for the season 2. Lot of liftings are going on for the infrastructure project. Yes, lot of lifting is happening in the India for constructing the infrastructure project. From 1 ton to 1,000 ton we are lifting, and for the appreciation of the lifting personnel, lifting supervisor, operators, and for all the lifting team for organizing the award is really a good move by Mr. Shukla ji. I would like to appreciate Mr. Shukla ji once again and wish him for the continuance of the award in future. We have to go for the international award also. Thank you.
From Nasik, and he is Mr. Anand Devidas Gore from Nasik. It is our privilege to be here, and the program is it was very well organized and very inspiring, truly inspiring. So I would like to thank everyone present here and the organizers. Thank you so much.
आपण जसं ऐकलं, सेफ्टी ही महत्त्वाची असते आणि इथे ज्या कंपन्यांना अवॉर्ड मिळाले त्या कंपन्यांप्रमाणे सर्व कंपन्यांनी सेफ्टी पाळून आपल्या कंपनीला आणि आपल्या सर्व कामगारांना स्वस्थ ठेवावं, सुरक्षित ठेवावं या गोष्टीची माहिती मिळाली. त्याबद्दल धन्यवाद. थँक्यू.